Guys, good morning. So, the show must go on. So, how are you? Doing good? Guys, now we are change agents. Dapat we are very energetic, diba? I mean, it's a great way to end the week. And because we're talking about continuous improvement, guys, hindi tayo pwede tahimik. Right? Change agents should be very vocal, should be very extrovert. Right? So, dapat medyo perky tayo, guys. Are we perky? Okay? Are we excited? Doesn't show much, no? But, guys. Alright. So it's a great way, but I think, guys, no, before I even start my session, I don't want to add much more confusion to what we're learning now. The way I observe the questions, I would assume that there are some guys here who are at a ground zero learning of Lean Six Sigma, correct? How many are at ground zero? Yan. So, tapihin natin yung mga ground zero, no? Maybe I will not wear yet my hat that says, I heart Six Sigma, no, come join me. Right? But what we're gonna do now is to answer the question, where are you coming from? Correct? Is that much more logical, guys, to answer before we even go to the Six Sigma? Right? I'd like to come in for my topic, not as a sales guy of Six Sigma and entice you to go to Six Sigma track. My goal is to identify where you're coming from and you realize to yourself, so I really mean Six Sigma. Is it logical? My dear change agents, let me now address my change agents for this morning. So, maybe before I even look into my presentation, wherein I'll be doing the articulation, guys, on where Six Sigma would come in across all business excellence models. Let me try to fast track to answer some of the questions this morning. A while ago, we had a question on how do you apply Lean Six Sigma on a day-to-day discipline. Lean Six Sigma is continuous improvement. When you go there on your work day on day, your question now is, not how will I do my work today? But Lean Six Sigma will come in and will ask, how will I now make my process better? You see? Now you become a knowledge employee. You see the point? Another question you had here from HR about employee turnover, right? How will you answer now the problem of behavior? The fact that the people are part of your process. You do not conclude and just say the problem is behavior. What's in the behavior that becomes the problem? You understand. You reach out. You do not whine. Right? And lastly, on the problem of the gasoline, petrochemical, come on guys. Lean Six Sigma is not a magician's wand. Right? It cannot solve everything. It's not a Messiah who came from heaven and will solve the problems of the world. Right? Lean Six Sigma cannot just go to Gaddafi and say, Gaddafi, no, let's solve your problem. Kaboom, kaboom, no? So what is it, no? I can solve the problem of Libya.